here again at Chicken Ranch Casino and Resort. I've got the crazy chickens. I actually was pretty excited for this bonus. I'm at the 375 bet on the 5-cent denomination. I got the red and the green, which is the jackpot and instant win bonus. Pretty excited. I don't usually bet that high on this machine. I usually stay around $1.50, maybe $2.25, because they do tend to eat well and go pretty quickly. So I usually like my money to last. I am $100 in, and as you can see, I was pretty much down to my last spin. Not really anything happened at this point. There are my first 2 instant wins. Nothing in the jackpot yet. On the Looney. Instant wins were pretty sparse this round, and so were any of the jackpot. So yeah, that was it. Just won my money back. A little bit over. Cashing out.